Hi friends, I am Sajid Nya. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be talking about the LED notification light. Is it present in the Realme X7 Pro or not? So right now I'm using the Realme X7 Pro device, which has a Dimensity 1000 plus processor, as you can clearly see here, friends. So this was a question which was asked by a few of the users that they are having doubt whether the Realme X7 Pro has any LED notification on the top or not. So in this video, I'll be giving you the clarity about this, whether the phone has any LED notification light or not. And in case if you want to know more details about this phone, and do check the links in description for the playlist of the Realme X7 Pro. So you'll find very good amazing videos on already uploaded on the Realme X7 Pro regarding the battery draining while playing the PUBG game, and even while charging and playing at same time. So try to check those videos in case if you're interested to know whether how is the phone performed regarding the battery and charging speed while gaming at same time. So try to check the links in description for the playlist. Those videos will be very interesting for you all in case if you're planning and thinking of buying this Realme X7 Pro device. So first thing is first, let me try to open quickly the settings and let me just type the LED notification LED. So as you can see, there is no results at all. So unfortunately the phone doesn't have any LED notification light, friends. So this is a serious disadvantage for this mobile phone, which I'm seriously asking for very long time from the Realme phones to have the LED notification light, at least small LED notification light. I'm not sure why they're not using this kind of LED notification light in these mobile phones, because which is very useful for most of the users. Even I do miss the LED notification light. For example, here is a POCO X3 device. As you can see here, friends, this is the POCO X3, and in the POCO X2 there is no LED notification light, but in the POCO X3 they added the LED notification light after taking the feedback from the users. But the Realme phones still now they are not adding any kind of LED notification light. As you can see, friends, at least having this kind of small LED notification light, even which is not visible from all directions, you can see there is a small LED notification light in the POCO X3. At least there should be this kind of small LED notification light in the Realme phones as well, but unfortunately that's not the case. You cannot see any notification light here. So because there is no notification light at all. So this is another disadvantage for the Realme X7 Pros. This may not be disadvantage for all the users, but the users who has got used to this kind of LED notification light from the previous mobile phones, they will miss a lot in this phone. But don't worry, there is another technique how you can add the LED notification light on this mobile phone. So I did a video on that one, so do check the links in description. LED notification light on any other Android smartphone, you can find that video, so which will give you a clear idea how to install the application to use the LED notification light on the screen. So in case if you want me to do on this phone, I'll try to make a video on this phone as well, so stay tuned for that video. And for this kind of good looking live wallpapers and punch hole wallpapers, do check the links in description as well. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.